Do you struggle with preventative maintenance plans? Is downtime something that you value? My name is Andrew Jones, Regional Sales Manager for igus Smart Plastic Systems, and today we're going to take a deeper dive into the new, affordable ECW Smart Plastic System. The ECW is an energy chain wear detection system that sits in the fixed end of your energy chain in a gliding application. It has an extension cable that runs to the PLC, eventually plugging into your digital I/O port. On screen, we have a graph that reads in 25% increments of how much life is left within your energy chain solution. Here, you can see what it looks like when we achieve 75% of life left in your energy chain. So what does this mean for you? You now have the ability to monitor your system in real time, giving you the peace of mind to not only decrease unwanted downtime, decrease headache, but overall increase your throughput and your productivity. To find out more on how the ECW is monitoring lifetime and preventing catastrophic failure, see the information below in the description. Thanks for watching.